Hi everyone, I'm Carol and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do an egg face mask that will help to tighten your skin, minimize the pores and also leave your skin glowy. Egg contains protein and this helps to tighten your skin, also makes your skin glowing. It removes excess oil from your skin and also tightens your skin. So to make this face mask you require only two ingredients, that is sugar and egg white. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. So let's get started.
First you'll require an egg, a fork spoon, then some sugar. Remove only the egg white from the egg. Then for this you need to add 1 tablespoon of sugar and then you need to mix it really well using a fork spoon. To make it more easier, you can also use a egg beater, something like this. Beat it continuously till it forms a foam-like texture, just like this. Now it's done. See that your face does not have any makeup. Now apply the mixture on your face. Don't use pressure while applying it. Just tap it on your face. Apply it all over your face evenly. Once you're done applying, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it's dry, it will be sticky like this. Then you need to scrub it all over your face. And now you need to wash your face. Once you're done washing, your face will glow. You can see the result just after 1 use. For best results, use once a week.
So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below what you want to see in my next video. Until then, bye.